a red tractor. Yes. It is a red tractor. Or you could say it is red. Either one. It is a red tractor. It is red. Either one. Good. How many chicks can you see on the farm? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Good. Ah! Chicks. They're baby chickens. They're chicks. Chicks, chicks, chicks. Good. Good job. Chicks are babies. Chicks are baby chickens. Great. Excellent job. Very good. Okay, painting. Painting. Barn. It's a barn. Good. Yes, barn. Painting. 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 Good. This. What is this? A b. Barn. Barn. Good. Barn. Yes, you got it. Circle big L. Good job. Circle big L. Good job. Excellent. Good. Can you read number 16, please? He is painting. He is painting a small L on the barn. He. Looks like a girl though. He. It's a boy. He. Barn. Good. Yes, very good. Good girl. Circle, small L. Very good. Excellent. Which words begin with letter L? Circle. Good. Wow. I see one more. Liz. Lawn does start with L. That's funny. Lizard. Circle the lizard. Lizard. Good. Good. Okay. What is this? Let me see if I can get it.
This is a lawn.
Let me get it. Close. Very close. Where is it? There we go. Lion.
Lion.
Good. What is this?
This is a lizard.
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 Good. Good. I know it's confusing. Luke. Luke. Good. His name is Luke. Luke has a lollipop.
Lollipop.
Good. Do you like lollipops?
Yes, I do.
Yeah? Good. Okay, let's read. You be the farmer, I'll be the little girl. Say, where are the rabbits? Here. Here they are. Good. Okay. Now you be the little girl. Where are
the lions?
Where are the lambs? Lambs. Good. Not limes. Lambs. Lambs. Good. Lambs. Good. Good. I see a lamb in the sky. Say, come with me. are the lambs?
I have a line too.
Lamb. Lamb.
Lamb.
Yes, not a lime. Not a lime. Remember, this is a lime. This is a lime, not a lime. No, 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 no. The lamb. Lamb.
Lamb.
Good.
Lamb.
Good. Okay. Number 1. This is an egg. Good. Number 2. The eggshell breaks. Good. The chick is ready to come out. Number 4. The chick comes out. Good. Yay. Good, good, good. Okay. Whee. Okay. Where is the cow?
Here it is. It is come
Is it under? It is under the tree.
under tree.
Yes, this is a tree. Yeah,
Under the tree.
good. So under. Under means, for example, the rabbit is under the dog. Under. Good. Like the baby, wah! The baby is under the cat. Under. Good. Okay. Very good. Whee! Where are the sheep?
They are here. They are in the barn.
Next to. They're next to. Next to the barn. Good. Yes. For example, the rabbit is next to the dog. Next to. So we have under, next to, under, next to. Okay. You show me next to. Show me next to. Show me next to. You. Show me next to. You are next to mom, right? You are next to mom. Right? Mommy's there? Mommy. So you are next to mom. Right? Yes? Yes? You are next to. Good. Okay. I am next to the giraffe. Giraffe. Yeah, I'm next to the giraffe. Good. I'm next to the lime. Good. Is the lemon, this is a lemon, is this next to or under the dog? Next to or under? Which one?
Under the dog.
Good, under the dog. Very good. Good job. Okay. Where is the tractor? In.
In the barn.
Yes, in. Good. You can say in, you can say inside. Either one is okay. So in is like it's like the baby is in my arms. The baby is in my arms. It's in. Yeah, okay. Yes, good. Okay. Whee! How do you take care of the horse?
I'm going water to the horse.
How do you take care of the cat?
I have reached a kite.
I play with the cat. Sorry there. How do you take care of the dog?
I brush the dog.
Good. Whee! How do you take care of the chicks?
I put the chickens.
Feed.
I feed the chicks.
Good. What are chicks? Chicks are what? They are baby chickens. Baby chickens.
Baby chicken.
Baby chickens.
Baby chicken.
Good. Very good. Whee! Here it is. It is
It is a chicken.
where? It's remember? What's our word? Under the tree.
Under the tree.
Good. Good. Yes, it's like a lot of that. Good. Okay. What is the rabbit doing? What is the rabbit doing? Remember? It is hop, hopping. Good. It is hopping. Very good. All right. In this unit, we learned these words. Can you please tell me cow? Baby
Cow, rabbit, chicken, sheep, tractor,
lamb, lamb.
horse.
Horse. Good. Good. So let's also review. What else did we learn? We learned is it under or next to? Which one is it? Is it under or next to?
Under.
Good. Okay. Very good. And we also learned what? Chicks come from where? Chicks come from
Chicks come from eggs.
good. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, homework. Please finish your homework after class. You will practice what you learned today. Whee! Whee! Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Have a good night. A good sleep. Have a good sleep.